Mr. Daniel Natarajan. Thanks to RV Travels, who has accommodated and arranged in a systematic way. Wherever we go, the things are in nice place. So, okay, 1 or 2 here or there, but overall it is good experience. One suggestion to RV Travels I would like to give is to incorporate more places of or otherwise related to Ramayana,
Okay.
like Lakshmi Narayana temple or Murugan temple. A big Murugan temple is there,
Subramani Swami.
away from 30 kilometers to Colombo or 40 kilometers. So more related Ramayana, it would be better to visit the Indians to Sri Lanka. That's one thing. And second thing is, I would advise Mr. Daniel Natarajan to update about the rates of tuk-tuk, your tuk-tuk rates or taxi rates to the RV Travels before planning the tour. It would be better, because a little bit differences were there, but if it is much different, then people will think that after coming here the rates are more. These are the two suggestions from my side, and I thank once again Daniel Natarajan and Captain Anil for his wonderful driving. Mr. Uppal, who is carrying our luggage invariably from the hotels to the cabin of the bus, and of course, thanks to Parmeshwari for always remaining smiling face towards us. Thank you very much. As a person in Gopal, తెలుసో తెలియకుండా తెలిసిన చొరవ తీసుకొని మీ అందరి దగ్గర జోకులు వేసుకుంటూ మీ అందరితో మాట్లాడుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోయినా నేను నా పరంగా ఏమైనా తప్పులుంటే క్షమించగలనని, అన్ని పెద్ద మనసుతో మన్నించగలనని ప్రార్థిస్తూ ఐ టేక్ ద లీవ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.